Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Seacoast House of Cars, we have the 1985 Ford Thunderbird Turbo Coupe. This was the 80s where turbos were the big thing. Ironically, now that I think about it, there was not a single Ford badge on this car. Except for the mud flaps, so those are not... Ford really went all in with the Thunderbird badging because there is not a single Ford logo, not even on the steering wheel, on this thing. Huh. Obviously, this car is older than me. I was born in '99. So, yeah, these doors are massive, but they have the most satisfying click. This is a 50,000 mile example. This is very likely the cleanest one in existence with a full thing of shop records. These seats, look at this. It is, oh, so 80s. Come on. There we go. Oh man, what a cool looking car. Give me... That was probably a bad idea. Give me some AC. I'm pretty sure he said the AC works. And it does. Wow. Alrighty. Turbo on the shifter. That's pretty unique. I'm gonna put my belt on. I didn't on the way over. I should probably put the belt on. I mean, take a look at... That works? Are you kidding me? Oh, this thing is just the most cream puff example. Powered by a 2.3 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. And if that sounds familiar, that's because that's what powers the Mustang EcoBoost. Except you can't get a Mustang EcoBoost and a stick shift anymore. Oh man. This thing drives. This is easily the mintest 85 anything I think I've ever seen. Derek here at Seacoast House of Cars, he finds a way to find the nicest examples of these cars. And this is almost museum quality. Not almost. If this was in a museum, I would absolutely not have a second doubt about it. It is that clean. I mean, we are talking about just over 50,000 miles. Like, just turned 50,060 miles. This car is very, very special. And I love how 80s it all is in here. Ooh, this is soft. The materials, especially for the time, are phenomenal. It's, yeah. When the Thunderbird came out in the 50s, it was supposed to be the world-beating sports car, kind of doing what the Corvette does, or Corvette did, but Ford's version. And in the 80s, well, we all know, performance cars weren't really good. So they everybody started to change over to turbos so you could have fuel economy and a fun sports car. And if you think about it, in '85, this was a really pretty high-end car. Oh, the 80s turbo lag. There is nothing like it. Come on, come on. If you want to take over a Cars and Coffee with this thing, show up. Sorry. If you want to take over a Cars and Coffee when you show up, bring this thing. This is just awesome. It's really so cool to see a rolling odometer. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.